Hey and welcome to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. In all this video before, we always pull or push from the master branch, but in this video we learn how to pull from any branch we want, or a different branch than master. And first, you remember the new branch that we just created, the update branch. So we will stay in it, and let's do some edit in this readme file. For example, let's make another line here, and let's, for example, say hello world. Let's in the commit message add new line in update branch. Let's hit commit. Now it's committed. But now let's pull just update that happened in this branch. But for let's see our visual. Let's see the code. For the moment it's like that, without the third line of the hello world line that we just added. So let's pull the update branch. So git pull dash git pull origin. If we hit enter now, he will pull the origin, that means the repository or the git repository, but he will pull the master branch. So after the origin we need to specify and to say which branch. So and in this moment we want to update, so let's just write update. So git pull origin update, let's hit enter, and he will pull the whole update and the modification that happened in this branch. And see here, we see that the hello world has been added to the file, and we see here that we add something in the readme file, and also we delete something. It must be some line or some space. So this is all for this video, and see you soon.